7 News investigating the Aurora theater shooting. Today, we've been digging through hundreds of pages of documents, 57 different filings in connection with the movie theater tragedy. 7 News reporter Marshall Zellinger found a lot of the documents simply blacked out.
I want to show you just how much these lawyers redacted, making these documents a bit difficult to read. In one instance, they went as far as redacting a Denver Post article that referenced Dr. Lynne Fenton as a psychiatrist. If you go online to the Denver Post, you can see that exact same document without the blacked out portions. Much of what is in these documents, Call 7 investigators have already revealed, though there is a bit of new detail in the sections around the blacked out portions. We've read and searched through more than 280 pages of theater shooting documents just released. We now know who may have seen the infamous notebook sent from suspect James Holmes to CU psychiatrist Dr. Lynne Fenton. This document describes the notebook being checked for explosives. Quote, an Aurora police detective on scene fanned the blank. The CU police chief reports seeing blank. On another page, there's a reference to the notebook and burnt currency, suggesting burned money was found with the notebook. Another document about Fenton's relationship with Holmes is completely blacked out, even though the contents of these pages were discussed by Fenton on the stand in open court.
The public should not accept redaction of a document in its entirety. In this case, a document that is the treatment record of Dr. Lynne Fenton. She engaged in fairly extensive question and answer about the contents of this record.
Another document reveals the defense has a psychiatrist as a witness. Quote, the defense has attached blank's resume and announces its intention to call him as an expert in the field of psychiatry. An attorney tells 7 News this is likely a step in the process for Holmes to plead not guilty by reason of insanity. We also discovered what was specifically taken in the search of Holmes' apartment: 4 computers, an iPhone, an iPod, and a USB storage device. The reason for all of this redaction, the judge has ordered the attorneys to black out their own documents, leaving out witness information, identifying information, any medical information. But in some instances, the attorneys have taken that a bit too far. In the newsroom, I'm Marshall Zellinger, 7 News.